Will the Dogecoin price recover in June? We're going to be exploring that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. Overnight, we had good trading in the crypto market. Woke up this morning, prices up, and prices kept going up. And was like, all right, guys, here we go. And then the whole crypto market kind of took a little dump this morning as well. So what is going on with all this? And what will we see for the remainder of the month? Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the news and the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. And this is the current Dogecoin chart as I'm recording this. We had this big run up this morning up to about 12.85 cents, and then immediately sold off. That's right. Right when you think you're getting some momentum up and you think, okay, here we go. Nope, not yet. Not yet. So what is going on? Well, we had Bitcoin as well, trading up to 66,400. And now it's down back in the 64s. That's right. It's not even able to hold 65K for Bitcoin. And again, Bitcoin is where the most liquidity is in the market. And as Bitcoin goes, so goes most of the crypto market. We have a few outliers. As well as we look on crypto bubbles, we still have this AI narrative here. Fetch, Singularity, and Ocean are going to combine to create this new ASI token that's coming up. And there's a lot of excitement in the AI world. And of course, like NVIDIA and stocks as well, still going crazy. So that seems to be where a lot of the money is going right now. I mean, there's Dogecoin. It's still up 1% over the last 24 hours. Bonk, Whiff, Pepe, and Sheeb, all about the same. Jasmy continues to get shorted, and selling, taking profits still going on with Jasmy as it finds it's settling right below 3 cents now. I think 3 cents is going to be the level that we're going to see going forward toward the end of June. Overall, what is going on? Bitcoin trader fatigue. Bitcoin trader fatigue hits record levels as price awaits rebound. It's been over 100 days since Bitcoin got up to this, mid 60s level. And here we are, still over 100 days later. So there are some levels of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So some FUD here about Bitcoin and what is going on. And sentiment says, look, the crowd is mainly fearful or disinterested toward Bitcoin. Price ranges between 65 and 66. This extended level of FUD is rare as traders continue to capitulate. BTC trader fatigue combined with whale accumulation generally leads to bounces that reward the patient. We also showed that there have been 4 days in a row of more outflows than inflows in the BTC spot ETFs, which also goes to the same kind of trader fatigue as well on the ETF side. So a lot of negativity. There's some good things. Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy, buying more Bitcoin. El Salvador continues to buy more. Argentina is talking about Bitcoin as a legal currency and could also begin to start accumulate Bitcoin as well. So that's all good on the Bitcoin front. But yeah, the liquidity just isn't there yet going forward. But that's what we'll be looking for. What TED Talks Macro says, look, the correlation between Bitcoin plus Fed liquidity never ceases to amaze me. Liquidity bottoms are coming in the next 10 days. Then it's going to rip higher again. So get ready. So Ted's looking at, again, this downtrend in Fed liquidity. And when it turns around, like it did back here, that will point to, most likely, Bitcoin will hold strong now and then will make a move up. So that's Bitcoin looking forward in June. What's going on with Doge? Doge traders appear to short. That's right. we've got a lot of shorting going on with Doge, along with other cryptos as well. And so as soon as you see a chart like we had this morning with Doge trading up, the shorters come out, enter new short positions, and down it goes. And that is the challenge that something like Doge has more than Bitcoin, just much easier to short Doge. And that's what we've got. Eventually, Doge is going to take off, going to squeeze out the shorts, and that could lead to a monster gain, but it's not ready yet with the liquidity to do that yet. Fading sentiment in Doge and SHIB creates a potential buy opportunity. That's right. For those who are patient and those who are waiting and believe in this 4-year cycle narrative that I've been talking about, for the past couple of years, have been continuously on this narrative, and you believe that the whole crypto market, including Doge, has not seen the top yet for this cycle, then buying 12-cent Dogecoin is a buy opportunity. Sentiment says crowd sentiment has dropped significantly after respective price drops. Patient traders who have been waiting for the crowd to give up on these large cap altcoins may finally have their buy opportunity. FOMO's at a 2024 low. So what does this mean? Well, we talked about whales. Dogecoin whales have been selling, taking some profits at this point in time for Doge, but the retail traders have been buying up that Dogecoin. So we've talked about this sort of shift from some whales to a larger share of retail investors now holding a bigger share of the overall supply of Dogecoin. And Doge is for the people. So will Dogecoin price recover in June? That's what we're talking about here. Look, Dogecoin is still the 8th largest cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, $18 billion. So Doge isn't dead, right? I mean, it is still a top 10 cryptocurrency. And yes, the market has not been good for Doge over the past few weeks, as we've seen a drop after drop after drop. Again, a lot of heavy shorting going on. But based on the sentiment report, Dogecoin is in the lowest market sentiments, which means investors are losing interest. However, this could lead to accumulation and eventual growth, which could then squeeze out those shorts. Over the year interval, whales that carry more than 1% of Doge supply have reduced their Doge supply, and retail is buying that up. We do have BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes, former CEO, says this is a buying opportunity for all investors. And the market is still filled with rumors of Twitter accepting Dogecoin as payment, and maybe even Tesla too. We will see. If news of any of this gets out, though, that would create a surging opportunity, price recovery, and FOMO. And that's the big thing we're all waiting for. Is that going to happen before June? Well, I think we're going to see, again, this liquidity change happening later this month, maybe early July. So I'm not expecting a big price recovery right now for June based on the sentiment of where we are now. But that doesn't mean it's going to go any lower than this. So we will be watching, seeing what happens with the Doge price going forward. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this Dogecoin price recovery in June? Or are we still kind of stuck in this malaise of waiting, being patient? We've been talking a lot about that too. So also join me a live stream on Friday. We'll be talking more about this. what's going on with X, Twitter, X payments, and all of that. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.